The Seaglider, a 9-foot unmanned remote-controlled submarine, deployed by the Applied Physics Laboratory at the University of Washington.
It carries a variety of sensors. It measures temperature and salinity, oxygen concentration in the ocean, chlorophyll. And it dives from the surface to 1,000 meters, so roughly 3,000 feet.
This is APL, the Applied Physics Laboratory at the University of Washington in Seattle.
APL-UW principal oceanographer Craig Lee.
What the Seaglider does is it can stay out for long periods of time. The current record is roughly 9 months on a single mission, on a single set of batteries. And it can swim for long distances, 4,000 kilometers, 4,500 kilometers during this period of time. No active propulsion in that sense. It's all done by making the glider either heavy or buoyant, so it rises or sinks, changing its attitude, so it changes the direction of the wings, and those wings project the vertical motion to the horizontal, and the glider squirts forward. The glider has a GPS, just like the GPS that you would use for hiking. When it's at the surface, it uses that GPS to figure out where it is. It gets a fix the same way that you get a fix when you're out hiking, driving. The glider has a satellite telephone. This allows the glider to call home and download its data to us. And it allows us to talk to the glider so we can actually issue new instructions to it.
Able to stay out for months at a time, Seagliders make ideal observers of long-term climate change. And Seagliders go places where people don't want to be.
The Labrador Sea in the middle of winter, the Gulf of Alaska in the middle of winter, in the Arctic underneath the ice. These are all places that are very difficult to get to and very difficult to stay on, and we can put gliders into those places and sample fairly routinely. We've done a lot of very long missions, a lot of missions in very demanding environments, very remote environments. We've taken a lot of risk with our vehicle.
For the record, Seagliders are numbered, not named.
They definitely have their own personalities sometimes. Some are better behaved than others. We call them some names, but none that we could put on video.
Science at work for you. This is APL, the Applied Physics Laboratory at the University of Washington in Seattle.